Hi, I'm Emma. Hello. Today I'll quickly share what to do if you suddenly get a cough and runny nose.
Mommy says the first thing is to stay warm. I feel much better already. Drink coriander soup. It feels so nice in my throat. If a child is older than 1 year, a little honey can help calm the cough. Mommy tells me to rest. Sleeping helps my body fight the cold. When I sleep, sleeping helps my body fight the cold. When I sleep under my soft blanket. But Mommy also knows something important. If I get a high fever or if breathing becomes hard, she takes me to the doctor quickly. Because taking care of me is her superpower.
I hope this helped you. Please subscribe and share for more caring health tips. You are my biggest strength.